What's up, guys? Dentist the developer here. Just wanted to share a little bit more progress. So what I have here is I installed Atom, which is a development platform that I'm using to build simple Ruby programs, simple Ruby games. And one thing that I made today, which was a little bit more complex than the previous one that I did, is a randomized game where you basically go through different rooms and different things can happen. You can search for treasure. You might find a monster in there that you can fight, or you can just keep moving from room to room. And so I'll just quickly run through the code so that you can see what I did. So you have to define a bunch of methods. These are called helper methods because they can kind of help make your methods a little bit more interesting and your variables more interesting. So instead of just having the same room, I had all of these terms that you could program into creating. Every new room that you enter can have a different size, color, different room type, and the exit is in a different direction. And this is just to make the game a little more interesting when you're playing it, even though it's not super interesting compared to like video games that I'm sure you guys have played before. But it's a start, and I'm starting to see how you can create the logic for games. Obviously, the user interface is just my terminal on my Mac, but that's that's the stage that I'm at right now. Then you have a bunch of methods. This one is just a roll of a dice. If it is greater than or equal to 8, then the room has a monster. This is a looping. This is a repeating loop up to, and then it'll just keep randomizing the rolling of the dice. So you can see how this could be used in, like, if you were to build the logic behind a Monopoly game or something like that. So that's important to know. Whether or not you escaped the room, if you roll the dice and it's greater than or equal to 11, you escape the rooms, which is one option. If you roll greater than or equal to 9, then the monster attacks you. If you roll greater than a 4, then you defeat the monster. And sorry, my daughter's playing piano in the background. And then if you're looking for treasure and you decide to search, then if you roll higher than an 8, then it will give you one of these, which is again a helper method for the treasure. And this dot sample right here, what it does is it randomly picks one of your options, and it will send that out with the output of the result after it gets your input. Just defining some variables here with the assigning equal sign. So assign is different from the double equal signs, which means equivalent to. So if, for example, down here, the double equal sign means if the player's actions, if I push M or move, then it executes this code. If I press S, executes this code. So these can change. At the end of the game, so comments here, I'm just trying to keep it clear so that I can understand what part is doing what. If you have too much damage and you don't make it out because the monster keeps attacking you, then it will output all of this. If you escape, and then it'll tell you how many rooms you explored and how much treasures that you actually got. So let's execute the game. It's called ruby.adventure, rubyadventure.rb, and this is the first command. So room number 1, you are in a regular red guard room. There is an exit on the north wall. What will you do? Move. You escaped. You explored 2 rooms, found 0 treasures. So again, the randomized roll of the dice, I got out right away. Awesome. We'll do it again and we'll try something different. What do you want to do? Let's search. Number one, you look but don't find anything. So let's search again. You look but you don't find anything. Nothing in this room. Let's move to a different room. Now I'm in room number 2. Oh no, there's an evil monster in here with you. What do you do? My daughter's laughing at me because I'm like playing this game, but this is gonna help me this is gonna help me learn. I'm actually building
there's an
a
evil
game.
monster in here with you.
So what do? Move, search, or fight? Fight. You defeated the scary monster. Good. Let's search a little more in this room. If we don't find anything, let's keep it moving. Room number 3, you're in a small crystal treasure room. There's an exit on the east wall. Let's search around here. Oh no, another monster. Let's just keep searching and ignore the monster. You found gold coins, but ouch, the monster bit you. Let's fight. You defeated the scary monster. Boom. Keep searching. If you don't find anything, keep searching. Still don't find anything. Ooh, found gems. Let's keep it moving. Ouch, the monster bit you. I ignored the monster and it bit me. Keep searching. Didn't find anything. Keep searching. You found an enchanted sword. Uh-oh, another monster is here with you. What do you do? Let's fight. You defeated the scary monster. So that's basically the code that it's executing, the logic behind it. Again, I know these seem pretty elementary to those who code, but for anyone just starting, I'm still trying to wrap my brain around all of this. I spent about an hour this morning just trying to really understand methods, trying to understand variables, trying to understand just some basic definitions so that as I'm going through this, I'm beginning to understand the differences, and hopefully it'll just keep sinking in. If you guys have any like real simple explanations or links or anything that you think can help me figure this out faster, I would highly appreciate it. But for now, just want to give you a quick update. I'm enjoying it so far because I actually can see how this is important for what I want to build. And so I'll just keep it moving. Thanks for watching, and if you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments below. Thanks a lot. Hey, what are you doing?